wet mopping all floor types, simply spray water on the floor and mop. You heard me right, water. Plain water works great with microfiber. When I mop wood, I like to go in the direction of the wood grain when possible. Be sure to take advantage of the swivel action and get all the corners and edges of the walls. When mopping tiles, the same technique is used. Again, spray the floor with plain water and mop. Pay close attention to getting under the kitchen sinks. If you want, you can use an environmentally safe germicidal spray or an all-purpose organic spray on ceramic tiles or linoleum. In our house, we mop with the spray and wipe method once a week. For that once-a-month deep method, you can use the microfiber mop to get down deep without ruining your knees getting down on the floor. Fill your kitchen sink about halfway with water and an all-purpose organic concentrate according to its directions. I use a half a teaspoon so that I do not have too many suds. Wring out the mop head and drop it to the floor. Velcro attach the mop to the cloth and start wet mopping all the floors. Occasionally, return to the sink and repeat the action. Believe it or not, this method works as well as getting down on the floor with your hands and knees. Keep a white scraper handy in your apron for scraping any sticky spots as you are mopping. Also, a toothbrush can come in handy for scrubbing spots in tile grout. This particular method is the same method that the hospitals used in the study that's on the EPA website that I referred to in the microfiber section of the DVD. This microfiber mop also comes with a dry mop head. This mop can replace using a broom. It prevents dust from getting kicked up into the air and flying around the house. It gets under furniture better than a broom, and the pet hairs and dirt will cling to the cloth. This is a fantastic alternative to broom sweeping for people with allergies or asthma.